Well, as you know, throughout January, we've been talking to experts about keeping those New Year's resolutions. Some people, when the new year starts, decide they want to just be better humans and give back. And there are all kinds of organizations in our community that have opportunities for volunteers, including one area that we know all too well is overwhelmed: healthcare.
Is it in a skilled nursing care? Do you want to work in home care? Do you want to volunteer in a hospital setting? Do you want to volunteer in a clinic? So we have all of those opportunities.
There are a lot of options when it comes to being a healthcare volunteer, more than you've probably even considered.
We've even had volunteers who've decided to take their dogs, their home dogs, and get them trained so they could be therapy dogs with us because, you know, they've seen the therapy dogs and that's what they decided they wanted to do. So we have so many opportunities for humans and canines.
Heidi Cornell is the Director of Volunteer Services with Catholic Health. She says they have just under 300 volunteers now, and there's plenty of room for more. The story of volunteering, of course, is that you always get back more than you give. And what many of these opportunities are really offering now are something that's been harder to come by the past couple of years: support and connection.
What we have found is we have a different group of people now after the pandemic that want to volunteer. We have folks who maybe shifted to a work from home environment that have extra time, and they came from an environment where they were maybe in an office or in a building with lots of people and they could socialize, and now they find themselves at home isolated and they need that social interaction. And volunteering is a really great way for them to be able to not only give back, but have productive use of that time and bond with other people.
Heidi says she meets with volunteers individually to help find a perfect fit. And some have even gone on to turn their volunteering experiences into careers. You can learn more about all this by going to chsbuffalo.org/volunteer.
It allows you to touch the lives of so many people across our community and really tap into that city of good neighbors.
That is Most Buffalo for today. Thanks so much for being here. I'm Kate Welsh-Schofer. Be well, stay well. We'll see you next time.